Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can customize your Slydyr profile. After you log into your account, you will be brought to your homepage. On the left is where your profile picture will go, and on the right, you can see how much of your profile you have to complete. Right now it says 20% based on how much information we included during the registration. Once you scroll down, you'll see your points total on the left and any trophies you've been awarded on the right. In our next video, we'll talk more about the significance of the point system on Slydyr. If you scroll down further, you'll see any discussion forum conversations you're involved in. Under My Network, you'll see a list of your connections. And finally, on the bottom is a feed of the latest updates from all the users on Slydyr. So now we'll show you how you can customize your profile. First, you'll need to click on the button that says Complete Profile. Once you do, you'll see options to add a profile picture as well as a cover photo. Let's add a profile photo first. To do that, simply browse your computer for a photo you would like to add. Once it's loaded, simply crop the photo and you're all done. If you'd like, you can add a photo of yourself as a profile photo. If you'd prefer to not upload any image at all, that's perfectly fine as well. Now it's time to add a cover photo. So just like we added the profile photo, you just need to browse your computer to find the image you want, and that's it. And just like that, you now have a profile that's customized the way you like it. If we go back to the homepage, you'll see how now we've completed 56% of our profile. So let's click on Complete Profile to finish the process. All that's left to do is fill out the fields under the Info tab. Here you'll see the information that we've included during registration. If you ever wanted to edit this information, simply make the changes you'd like and then click Save Changes. Now let's head over to the Info tab. Here, you'll scroll down until you find the title that best describes you. If you can't find your title, send us an email or get in touch with us through social media and we'll add your specialization to our list. Now we're just going to fill out the rest of the form. The next tab is titled Social Media and is not required to have your profile completed. However, if you do have other social media accounts, listing them here can help you build your network outside of Slydyr as well. So simply type in or copy and paste your social media profile URL as shown here. If you have a website, maybe it's a company website, a blog, or any other website you'd like to draw attention to, you can type it in here and it will be displayed on your profile. Once you are done that, click Save Changes. To view your newly completed profile, click on View Profile. Now you can see your title prominently displayed beside your display name. You can also find all the information that you've added to your profile under the Details section. Now when you click the Home button, you know that you've completed your profile because the profile completion status graph is no longer there. In our next tutorial, we're going to go over the point system on Slydyr and talk more about how the Slydyr community works.